Hello guys, so today being the 1st of October 2023 is the 63rd birthday of Chief Innocent Chukwuma, the CEO of Innoson Vehicles. So it now happened that some group of people, both friends, well-wishers, some social media and support groups, decided to throw a surprise birthday party for the chief himself. He was not aware of all this, so they came to his house waiting for him to come back because he actually traveled and came back this day. So on coming back, the whole people just gathered wishing him happy birthday. That is his wife wishing him happy birthday, and chairman was so surprised. He never expected this crowd, he never expected this party that's happening right now, but it is what it is. You know, a good man deserves good things. So many packages were prepared for Chief Innocent Chukwuma for his birthday. That is a saxophonist singing, blowing his sax, and that is Professor Nnewi, the Permanent Master, the rave of the moment when it comes to highlight music. He is actually in the house singing special songs for Chief Innocent Chukwuma. That is Nnewi, the foremost MC and comedian in Nnewi. She was also in the house. So many people, a whole lot of people came around. You can see phone cameras flying up in the air. That shows you that it was a great day indeed. For those that don't know Chief Innocent Chukwuma, Chief Innocent Chukwuma is the CEO of Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company, the first indigenous vehicle manufacturing company in Africa. So celebrating him this day is no surprise. Just stay tuned, stay back and watch how this day went and how this great man was celebrated on this day.
A lot of people that are gathered here today to come and celebrate this special day with you. Before we go on, I would like to recognize the different publics that are represented here today. First is the first family, the family of the chairman, led by the amiable wife, Lolo. Let's give a round of applause. And also, I can see the presence of the local government chairman, the #1 citizen of Nnewi politically. Also, I think he's here also with the solution team. And we also want to recognize the staff and management of IBM Innoson Group that are here seated. Then also we have the large turnout members of the Nnewi social media family that are here today. And also we have, I think we have an SUD president. Council of SUD presidents that are here. Who is representing them? Okay, now we are Council of SUD president. Please, if I think there are some other people that are here. Then we also have IBM social media hangouts. With due time, I'm going to still recognize other groups that are here. Chairman, these people are here today to celebrate because they're a great man. They're a great industrialist that have touched lives, not just thousands, but millions of people across Nigeria and Africa in general. Today is your 63rd birthday. We have come to celebrate with you, to let you know that what we have done for humanity, we recognize that and it deserves every form of celebration. So that is why we are here today. This thing I understand is like a surprise birthday. You weren't expecting this thing. After having a very tedious business meeting, you just came back to come and rest with your family, not knowing that your well-wishers have decided to organize this small birthday surprise to honor you. Thank you very much. Then we would like to officially sing the happy birthday anthem so that we can be able to cut the cake. Yeah.